Welcome viewers. Today I'll show you mirror, array and align. Okay, then let's start with mirror first. What is mirror? Mirror is a reflection of object. Like if you are in front of mirror, you will see your reflection. This is opposite. Okay, so let's start. Let me show you something on paint first. Paint. Actually, I'm giving you some concept. Suppose this is me, not you. Okay, and I'm creating one face over there, so you will understand properly. Maybe face is not so well, but you will understand a total thing, that I believe. So this is mirror and this is your reflection. Okay, it's not like reflection, I can understand, but it looks like pretty good, like a body. Okay, fine. So this is the real one and this is the reflection one. So this is the basic thing, and suppose this distance is 5, so this is also your reflection distance is also 5 from the mirror. Now come to the max field, and I want to show you by teapot. Why teapot? Because teapot is not a uniform object. Okay, then press alt and press middle button to rotate my view. As you know, according to previous session, it told you about all these command like rotate, orbit and all this. Okay, then select the object first, and as you can see, mirror is also here, like here. Okay, so this is quick access toolbar that I can access easily. So go to the mirror, see, is rotate. Why? Because there is no clone option is on, so the object rotate itself, object mirrored itself. So if I want to keep my previous one object along this mirror object, then I have to click copy. So I have a copy object, but mirror is here. It's assuming mirror is here, so both object is overlapped. So what I have to do, I have to move my mirror from this object, so my mirror object will also move. So increase the value by dragging it, and you can put the value as well, 5 feet. Okay, so this is my mirror. Okay, and as we can see, there's a x coordinate and there's a this is y coordinate, this is x coordinate, and this is a z coordinate. So this movement will always happen according to x coordinate. Why? Because x is selected and this is a y. If I'm selecting y, see, its the movement is going to the y coordinate, and if I'm selecting z, then it will be this coordinate. And what is xy? There's a few things you have to know. Go to the paint again, and I'm going to show you. There's a 3 coordinate. One is x, one is y, and one is z. According to that, there's a few angle over there, and all angle of 120 degree, 120 degree, and 120 degree. So total is 360. Means all equal. In Greek language, all equal is called isometric. Okay, so this is called ZX plane, ZX plane, and this is called YZ plane. See, this is a Z or Z, and this is a Y. So ZX, ZY. Oh, sorry, YZ. YZ plane. It's a YZ plane, and this is a XY plane, as you can see. Okay, so this is the basic thing you have to know. So This is a xy, means it will move according to diagonal of xy coordinate. See, and this is a yz. See, this is a yz, this is a y, and this is z, and last one is zx. Okay, so this is done, I think. Okay guys, let me show you array. What is array? There is an option under toolbar. This is the array command. Okay, let me show you. First, I want to create something. There's a box, simple box. Right click and move. Go to the modify, or there's a size like 1 feet, 1 feet, and 1 feet. Okay, done. So this is my object. Now I want to array this object. So maximize the viewport by pressing this command. Okay, now go to the array. It's a big menu, so don't get puzzled. It's very easy. I'm showing you one by one. Okay, so there's a x, y, and z. It's called move, and this area for rotate, and this area for scale. So if I want to create few object, then this is called 1D, 2D, and 3D. Is in 1D means one direction is like 10 object. Make it 5. Okay, and then create some distance. This is the x and this is a y. Now you have to choose which direction you want to put some object. So let me show you preview. Preview should be on. Now put some value. It's a x direction. No, I don't want to put on x direction. Instead of I don't put on y direction. I have to put the value towards the x direction. The x positive, x negative. Okay, the x positive. Okay, fine. So there is a distance between each distance is a 2 feet 10 inches. Okay, now I can increase the value as well and decrease. Okay, now go to the 2D option. Under 2D, I have to put the value. If I want to put the object direction of y, make it as a 2 or 3. That will create some row. Okay, so this is a distance. Okay, you can put the value. The same way I can put the value on 3D area, like then I have to put the value of this area. Okay, is a 3 or 2 whatever, and put the value 3, 4, whatever you like. Okay, and as you can see, you can change the value after creating this like this. So this is about normal array. Later I'll show you what is a polar array in 3D Max. Okay viewers, let me show you polar array. What is polar array? So go to the paint. Let me go to the paint actually. Okay, then create something, and suppose I'm creating few box over there, and this is actually polar array. Okay, maybe drawing is not perfect, but my array will be perfect, I believe. So go to the cylinder or create something, create anywhere. Okay, and then create one box. Okay, after that select the box, but thing is you have to maintain the pivot point. So my pivot axis should be center of this cylinder. How it will be? Select the object first and go to the view area. See, there's a pick command. Select the pick command and click that object. It's not done yet, no problem at all. Select this one and select last command. See, it is in the center of this cylinder. Now select the object first and go to the tools area, and there's the array command. Select the array. In the array, okay, so actually I am dealing with the total value of this object, so make it 360. Okay, done. And my 1D count is 5. Let me see as a preview. Now it's done. See, I can increase my value, I can decrease my value. So this is called polar array in 3D Max. Okay, now going to start align command. Before starting that command, we have to create few objects, like one box, maybe two. Now I have to create transparency on this object. By pressing Alt and X, the object will be transparent. Okay, now I want to align that object. So which one you want to align? Select that object first and then go to the align command from this area. Now see, your mouse pointer is changed, is asking for alignment position or alignment command. Now click on this object. See, there's a few options. There's a three part. One is a normal movement, alignment movement, and second is called rotation, orientation, and third one is scaling. We'll proceed step by step. So center is center. This is my current object, this one, and this is my target object, this one. So X, Y and Z position is already defined. I have to select X position. Now it is in this object. Now this is inside the big box. Okay, we can select minimum, center, whatever. I'm going to show you later. First of all, hit OK if it is okay. Okay, done. Now again go to the align command and select this box, big box actually, and this is the center position, and target position is minimum. Target position is suppose I have to change the coordinate point. Like this time I am going to show you the Z position only of Y and X, and this is a maximum, this is a minimum, this is center and pivot to pivot point, and this is a maximum position. Maximum means maximum of this object, but this is a pivot area, so I have to show you the minimum position. So this is the minimum, this is the base point. If I'm using maximum, that is a top area of the small box. Okay, so these are the movement command. Okay, and you can change it like current object with target object. You can create some combination and you can use it, but this is the basic concept of movement align object. I'll show you align orientation and match scale. Okay, let me show you second command, rotation or orientation. Reset, no, yeah. Now create some teapot. So I have one teapot, this is another teapot. Now press Alt W or pressing this command, zoom your viewport. Now see, I'm going to rotate this object. It's an arbitrary rotation. Now what I need, I have to match the same orientation. Okay, so select the object first and go to the align command and select the target object. Okay, now this time I'm not going to concentrate on this area, I have to concentrate on this area. It's align orientation. So Z, I'm not going to use X position. If I'm selecting X, the object will be overlap, so just leave the X area, just only select the Y position and Z position. After that, go to the align area and press X, Y and Z. Okay, if it is okay, then press OK. After that, rotate the viewport and see both are in same alignment. Now I'm going to show you the third option, which is called scale. So do one thing, select the object, alt text, pressing alt text, the object will be transparent. Now go to the align command first, select the first object and go to the align command, click on it and make your position, okay, and pivot to pivot or center to center, both will be same. Both will be fine actually, both will not same actually. The pivot point is the center of the object. Pivot point can be base of your object or center of your object, but center must be center. Okay, and press OK. Get out from there and select the object first, second object, then go to align, select the second box, and now just check off your box and click. Oops, sorry. Now you have to do again, go to the align command. First of all, select both things should be local. It should be local. This local coordinate system is working. Now go to the align command and click on second object, and now I'm going to up my object, center object actually solid body, so that should be minimum and that should be maximum. Okay, fine, get out from there. Okay, it's done. Now again go to the align command and click on it. Okay, now off everything, that should be center. And now go to the X, Y and Z. Now both are like same scale, so this is the scale command. And if you like this video, subscribe it, and thank you for watching.